Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short tutorial I'll teach you how to fix application error a client-side exception has occurred in Safari on iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first of all open the settings application on your device. Now swipe all the way down and tap on apps. In the apps menu, find Safari browser settings and tap on it. In the Safari settings, find clear history and website data and tap on it. Here, you need to select all history and tap on clear history. Now go back to the home screen and reboot your device. For that, first press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.